Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. Today is Saturday. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm here at Hy-Vee. If you are not from the Midwest, you maybe don't know what Hy-Vee is. It is a Midwest centered grocery chain, sort of, I guess, like Publix or Kroger, something similar to that. I am planning to get my groceries here this week because I've been reading a lot online in some of the community Facebook pages that Walmart has instituted some social distancing rules, and there have been lines outside of Walmart with people trying to get in. They're only letting 50 people in at a time. And I don't really want to be out any longer than I have to. So I'm just going to go here at Hy-Vee. I know that they have a good selection of produce and dairy, and that's basically what I'm going to the store for today is produce, dairy, and deli meat. Those are basically the things that we have been buying fresh every week. The rest of our food we've been trying to eat out of our freezer and pantry, and so that's kind of what I planned our meals around this week. Some FAQs that I've been getting when I've been posting my grocery hauls, I'll try to address those now quickly before we get into this. Do I wear a mask in public? No, I do not choose to wear a mask in public. Just yesterday, I think the CDC released that they recommend folks wear masks in public, even if they're cloth masks, especially if you're in an area where there are a lot of cases. But I am in no way advising you what you should do. You should do what you think is safe and what you're comfortable with and what will make you have the least anxiety and feel the best about this whole situation, which is rapidly changing and stressing us all out. The second question is, are you wiping down your groceries? No, I have not wiped down my groceries. I actually watched something on CNN yesterday regarding wiping down your groceries. And, you know, they kind of went back and forth on should you do it, shouldn't you do it? They kind of said, well, you know, the risk is low of transmission of the virus via packaging, but if you feel comfortable, you can wipe down your groceries. I don't know if I'm going to or not. Again, I'm not saying whether you should or shouldn't. If that makes you feel more comfortable, you should definitely do that. Things that people should be doing are definitely washing their hands very frequently. You should not be touching your face, especially while you're in a store or while you've been touching things out in public. That's how the virus is transmitted, is you touching something where it's on a surface and then touching one of your mucous membranes, so your mouth, your eyes, your nose. Yeah, so that's kind of what I have to say about that. The other questions I get are, why aren't you doing grocery pickup? Why aren't you doing delivery, etc., etc.? I think that is definitely a choice. If that is something in your area that's an available resource right now. Right now in our community, that resource is very scarce. We do not have a lot of delivery options. We do have Walmart grocery pickup, but they've been scheduling like anywhere from 3 to 5 days out. And so personally, I'd rather just go into the store, get what I need, and get out. So if you have any other questions, leave them down below. I have been deleting comments and blocking people that are saying just mean things because my heart can't take it right now. This is just like a very stressful situation for all of us. None of us are experts right now. None of us know what we're doing. All we can do is the best that we know to do for our family, and we have to go forward from there. So with that being said, and I'm recording a 4-minute intro, I really hope you guys are all doing well. I'm gonna go in, get my groceries, and when I get home, I'll show you what I got. All right, so here's a look at everything that I got. I spent a little less than $200, although at Hy-Vee the prices do tend to be a little bit more expensive, so this probably would have been around $150 at Walmart, but whatever, I didn't want to go to multiple stores today. So they do actually still have their Starbucks open there, and I stopped and got a coffee, and they had these cake pops on sale for $3. They're just, I assume this is how they come, frozen from Starbucks corporate. So they're selling those. I went ahead and got a package of those just for something fun to have because they were on sale. Connor has been liking to have salami for a snack. He likes to eat it with pretzels and apples. So I went ahead and got another package of salami. And then I also got another package of hot dogs. We had, I think, half a package left over from last week, but we still have some more buns. So I went ahead and grabbed some of these for lunches this week. I got some grape tomatoes. These are the Hy-Vee brand, the sweet grape tomatoes. I got one red pepper. I'm probably going to cut this up and use it with either hummus or ranch dressing. Halos, these were very expensive. They only had 3 bags of these left, and they were, I think, $6.99 for this bag. But these are actually a little bit bigger than the ones I normally get, so I'm not sure about that, but either way, I got it. And then I also ridiculously paid $9.99 for 2 pounds of strawberries, but like I said, I wasn't going to go to another store. I was there and I needed to get produce, so that's what I ended up doing. They did have the grapes on sale for, I think they were around $1.89 a pound, or maybe $2.89 a pound, I can't remember, something like that. So I got some grapes. I got some sliced mushrooms for a recipe. I grabbed some bananas. They were running pretty low on bananas, so I just got 3. Normally I like to get them a little bit more green, but that's what I had to work with this week, and they're very small. I got some apples. The thing I like about going to Walmart is they have like 3-pound bags of apples that are pretty inexpensive. Hy-Vee's apples tend to be pretty pricey, so we still had a couple left over from last week, so I just went ahead and got 5 of the Gala apples. And then I did get a pound of the Deluso smoked turkey breast from the deli for sandwiches this week. I got some sliced pepper jack. I like to have that either on a sandwich or with Triscuits. And then I did get some cheese snacks. These are the kind that Kira really likes, the sharp cheddar ones. I got 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. This is for a cheesecake recipe. And then I also got 2 blocks of cheese. I've been just shredding my own cheese just because I can keep it in a block longer and then just shred it when I need it. So I got a extra sharp cheddar and a mozzarella. I don't know if I'm gonna make pizza, but I figured I would get the mozzarella just in case I decided to. I got 1 container of sour cream. Heavy whipping cream, I needed this for, I think, a couple different recipes, and this was ridiculously expensive too, but it was the only brand that they had left. It was all picked over, and I think this was like $6.99, which is ridiculous. I don't even know why I paid it, but I needed it for a recipe. I got some half and half. This is for my coffee, and then I saw this. I don't normally buy sugared creamers for myself, but this is whipped buttercream flavored creamer, and I thought that sounded really good, so I went ahead and got that. Okay, I got 1 gallon of milk. I normally get half gallons, but since everyone's home now, Connor has been liking chocolate milk, so I've just been making chocolate milk for him with Hershey syrup, and we've been eating it with cereal and cooking with it and stuff, so I went ahead and got the gallon. All right, so I think I'm gonna make some chili tomorrow, and I wasn't sure how much chili powder I had left, so I went ahead and got another bottle of that. I did also get some hot dog chili sauce just in case I don't make the chili. Adam likes chili dogs, so we can use that for those. And then I also got some celery seed. Adam wants to make some barbecue sauce, and so he needs that for that recipe. Their SpaghettiOs and stuff were totally picked over. The kids like to eat these for lunch, so I did go ahead and get 2 of the Hy-Vee SpaghettiOs with meatballs, and then they actually had the Chef Boyardee mini ravioli left, so I went ahead and got 2 of those also. I got some margarine. We were running really low on this. We just keep this on hand for toast and grilled cheese. They had eggs for 99 cents. I didn't need a bunch of them, so I just got 1. They were limit 1 only anyway. Last weekend, Kira asked me if I could get some corn dogs. These were also super picked over, but they did have some left, so I just got 1 package of the beef corn dogs, and then I think Adam's gonna make breakfast on the griddle tomorrow outside, so I got 1 package of breakfast sausage and 1 package of the Applewood smoked bacon, so we can have that for breakfast tomorrow. I got 2 cans of soup. We eat these for lunch a lot of times. 1 can of New England clam chowder and 1 can of grilled chicken and sausage gumbo. We used the last ketchup that was in the pantry, so I went ahead and got another one of Heinz ketchup, and then also we were running low on ranch, and Connor likes this with his cucumbers to dip in, and then obviously we keep this on hand for salads. So I grabbed a bottle of Hidden Valley Ranch, and then Connor, as I said earlier, has also been liking pretzels for a snack, so I got a bag of the Hy-Vee brand Tiny Twists. I like to keep lemonade on hand to have in the refrigerator, and this is, I always get the sugar-free kind, so this is sugar-free raspberry lemonade. I got 1 loaf of bread, the Sara Lee honey wheat. I actually had quite a selection of bread. I mean, it was a little bit picked over than usual, but not bad. So I was able to get bread today. I got salsa because we're totally out of salsa and we have tortilla chips to use up in the pantry. So I got one of the Kramer's salsa. This is pineapple salsa. That sounds really good. And then one of the La Victoria mild salsa. I got this a couple weeks ago and it was really good. It's the double berry cheesecake ice cream. So good. So I got that mostly for myself. And then they had Kraft Mac and Cheese, 99 cents a box. I maybe should have got more. I don't know. I only got 3, but I like to obviously have this on hand for quick lunches. Kira really likes hot dogs and mac and cheese together, so I grabbed those. I got some apple juice just for the kids to have in the refrigerator, and then Captain Crunch. They've been eating more cereal for breakfast since they're home, so I love peanut butter Captain Crunch cereal too, so I just got 1 box of cereal. We needed more apple cider vinegar. We were out of that, so I grabbed some of that. 1 package of mini marshmallows because I do have some Rice Krispies in the pantry, and I thought that maybe the kids and I could make Rice Krispie treats this week, so that was the only thing I needed for that. And then I did get myself some more Triscuits. I like to have these with cheese for a snack, or cottage cheese for a snack. Vanilla wafers. So I got some of these just to keep on hand. The kids like this. We've been getting like banana pudding from this barbecue restaurant. We've been eating there like once a week, not eating there, but getting takeout, obviously. And they have this banana pudding that has vanilla wafers in it, and the kids really liked it. And I do have some pudding mix in the pantry, so I decided to grab these just to keep. They are the Hy-Vee brand of vanilla wafers. I got Adam some energy drinks, the Bang ones. So I got 1 peach mango, 1 sour heads, 1 star blast, and 1 purple guava pear. I got myself some of the AHA sparkling water. This is really good. I've had this flavor before. It's apple ginger. It's one of my favorites, so I grabbed that. They had soda on sale, I think 3 for $12. So I got 1 diet ginger ale, 1 diet squirt, and 1 diet cream soda, which is my favorite. And then, so I saw these kind of randomly, these ball jars. They had these on sale for $3, or on clearance actually. So $3 for 4 ball jars, which is a great price. And I feel like I hoard these all the time anyway, because I'm always like freezing spaghetti sauce or broth, or using them to like give food and soup to people. So I'm always running out of them. So I got 3 packages. These were $3 each, so $9 for 12 of these jars, which is an insane deal. And these are kind of the squared off ones, so they look a little bit nicer, I guess, if you want to give them as gifts. I don't know that I really have a plan for that, but I got those anyway. And then we were running low on paper plates, so I just got some of the cheap kind. These can be put in the microwave, so that's nice. We were running low on Ziploc bags, so I grabbed a 70 pack of just the regular gallon storage bags. And then lastly, we needed another lighter for the grill. So I just got this. This was cheap. It was like $1.89. So I'm going to put some of this food away, and then I'll show you what's on the meal plan for this week. Okay, so let me share with you guys what we are having for dinner this week. So Sunday, we are planning on having bacon, hash browns, and eggs for breakfast. Adam may be cooking them on the griddle outside. I'm not sure yet. It depends how warm it is. I also want to meal prep some chili. For dinner, I'm going to make some pork chops that I need to use up, and then also probably like a baked potato bar. So baked potato with maybe some broccoli, cheese, and then some of that chili that I make. On Monday, I'm planning on doing some shredded chicken tacos in the crock pot. And then I also have a recipe for Instant Pot refried beans that I want to try. This is from wellplated.com. Tuesday, I'm going to do Swedish meatballs with egg noodles and veggies. Wednesday, I have some pretzel rolls in the fridge that I want to get used up, and so we'll use those for sandwiches. I don't know if we're going to do turkey or beef or what. And then I'll make some oven fries with some russet potatoes and some fruit on the side. Thursday, I'm planning on making some vegetable beef soup. I have rolls in the freezer, and then I'll also make a salad. Friday, I'm planning on doing a chicken satay rice bowl with bok choy side salad and dumplings, and these meals may be interchanged depending on what we have going on that day. And then Saturday, I know I want to make a quiche and some hash browns. So that is everything that I'm planning on having for dinners this week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.